Bonne année, that's Happy New Year in French.
Bonne année is the first thing you say to people when you meet them for the first time in January. Bonne année is in the feminine singular and it literally means good year. Though it's codified, we don't say bonne an, we don't say bonne nouvelle année either, though it would be grammatically correct. Bonne année, it's what you write on les cartes de vœux, greeting cards, les cartes de vœux. If you're a francophile, you will probably receive a ton of them soon from French friends and especially French companies. Bonne année! I wish you all the best for 2021. I hope you're going to discover lots of fascinating things, do as many activities as you wanted in 2020, and have as much love as you deserve. And now it's your turn. Can you say it with us? 3, 2, 1.
Bonne année! Get started on a new year of learning French by clicking here to access fun first French lessons so you can start 2021 on the right French foot. I will see you in the next video. Bonne année 2021.